Hello. Do you ever feel that your life looks perfect on paper, but there is this nagging feeling that it's still not good enough and something is missing? Some may feel embarrassed to admit it, and others may think there's something wrong with them. But nothing can be further from the truth. Let's try a little experiment. You most likely know that a blueprint is a map of a building. But did you know that every person has a personal blueprint about how life is supposed to be? Is there one area in your life that you feel really happy about? It could be family, health, your children, social relationships, career, finances. Why are you happy? You are happy because the blueprint, which means the way you think, matches your current life conditions. It is a real art to feel content with what you have and still be ambitious to strive for more. In general, I am a happy person, but I can tell you that whenever I start comparing myself to others, I start feeling that something is missing or that I'm not good enough. Comparison can be a real happiness thief. If you look at the neighbor who has a bigger house, a bigger car, and a cottage up north, it may leave you feeling behind of what you want, and this may lead to emotional resistance. So what are your choices? People usually blame themselves or they blame others, but here's what I suggest. Change your mental blueprint. This means start telling yourself a different story about how your life is supposed to be. Happiness is an inside job. Find what's good and acknowledge the good and see how this makes you feel. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.